This video will show you how to use the replace feature in Excel. If you watched my video on the basic Excel organizing tools, you will know that you can access the replace feature by clicking at the edit tab at the very top of the screen and then dragging down till you see replace. The replace feature can be very helpful if you have a list of elements in an Excel file and you want to take one of those elements and replace it with something else instead. The replace feature can find all the elements that you want to replace and replace them with your specific value that you'd like. Now I'm going to show you what the replace feature looks like in action. Here I've got a list of students and some math quiz scores that I've made up, just like a quiz out of 10 that they took, and each one's got their appropriate score next to their name. Let's say though in my grade book I want to put in their score as a letter grade, like an A or a B or a C, as opposed to putting in some number. What I've done also to help you see how the replace feature works is I've used the filtering feature, and I've already highlighted in yellow some of the 10s and highlighted in green some of the 9s, just to make it easier to see that what the replace feature actually does for us. So now let's say in this column, I'm going to highlight this column first to start, but I want to change all the 10s to A's. So as opposed to going through and typing an A in every one of the cells that would need it, I'm going to go up here to edit, and I scroll down to replace and use our replace feature. And what I want it to find is I want it to find all the 10s, and I want to replace those with A's. So as I do that, I'm going to click replace all. If I just wanted to replace one of them, I would replace one, and I could do one at a time, but instead I just wanted to replace all, so I'm going to click replace all. It tells me how many instances there were of 10s getting replaced to A's, and it says there's 8 of them here for this particular case. Now as I close this for a second, you can see that where my highlighted yellow where I did have 10s, now I've got A's in each one of those boxes. So it very quickly took all the 10s and replaced them with A's. Now again, I just highlighted that particular column, so just in that column it changed all the 10s to A's. If I had not highlighted that, it would do it for the entire Excel worksheet. Showing it one more time just so you can see it. Let's say now I want to replace all the 9s with B's. Again, in this case I'm going to highlight that column. I'm going to scroll up to edit and go to replace. And now I want to find all 9s and replace all 9s with capital B's instead for my grade book. Again, I'll click replace all. It found 12 of those particular instances. When I close it here, now you can see that in green, where I had all 9s for quiz scores, now it has capital B's for my grade. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you'd like to see other videos on Microsoft Excel features, click on one of the following links below. Thank you.